Uh, Still no zOMG music. Apparently, um, Lanzer did some changes to ruffle zOMG and it might have broken the music. So he's got to look into it again. Oh, but it's been like it a while now, but hopefully it will get sorted out. The theme today is actually a Lanza theme, and there's been a bit of talk because oh, K-pop Demon Hunter, Demon Slayer, and Chainsaw Man, and various other stuff, and of course Freeran's out too. But this theme is Lanza's theme, and it's Chainsaw Man themed. And I've never watched it myself, to be honest, and I only really heard of it because being on Bimstar Twitch streams, and he's got a couple of points redeems. One's Kobeni and one's Aki, and I can't even get onto Bimstar stream now and a lot of other Twitch streams because of some me being British, and same with Imgur, but it's happened in the UK, and we've got some flipping. I got to prove how old I am by taking a picture of my face. They want my face for AI basically, and I'm not prepared to fucking do it. They go stuff themselves. So it basically means I've lost half of my Twitch follow watch list, which is a bit sad. Anyway, Chainsaw Man. There's cosplays here. X-Pandy has literally been backwards the whole time. Uh, uh, well, I'm Kobeni, basically. I made an effort to do a cosplay, even though I've never watched it, so I made Kobeni. This one here, Moonchu, that's a cosplay as well. I don't know the name of it. Maybe Dark Magician Girl might be one of them. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm not sure. But look at Oh Sweet Lucy, one of them creepy Norman characters with a chainsaw. Before Birthday, I think, is a cosplay, but hasn't been embiggened again. Lanzer, okay. Links are updated on the thread and web page, so the downloading the Battle Air links have been redone. Shadow Belmont, Arashasora, Before Birthday, Tay, Binary is here today. Binary is here. Dork Magician Girl, Ex Pandy, Counter Terrorist, Yamka Jaden is timeless. Pizza Nado, modern classic. The Pizza Nado is back. Moonchu, Lazy, Snacking, Expandy, Rev Raptor Kappa, and I think that's it. Where's Yellow Carnation was here but has disappeared, but didn't get embiggened. I think Yellow Carnation's gone. Snacking. Soranthio was here. And there probably was a few more, but I can't remember. But yeah, Chainsaw Man, themed dev meat. Oh, Kobeni cosplay. I think that's one as well. I think that's one of the and Rev just disappeared instantly. I don't know about Dork, whether that's a cosplay as well. Maybe not. And Expandy's been backwards the whole time. Oh. But this was Lanzer's requested theme. And sadly still no zOMG music. I think I'm going to end it here in case I want to do another clip later after I've put up all these Gemma Vaz videos that you've seen now.